Hey doll, so on my way, running some errands, and look what I found. My local Dollar Tree. Yeah, gonna go in here. Gotta look both ways from crossing the street. Can't trust parking lots. But let's see what I find. Let's go. Look who's with me in Dollar Tree. Mom is here. You know, they loved the last time you was shopping and how you was copying everything that I pick up.
Oh, really?
Look at this. So cute for Valentine's Day. That is so cute. What you got?
Happy Valentine's Day.
You don't need that.
No, no, I'm diabetic.
Thank you. I ain't had to remind you.
Just be cool.
I ain't had to remind you. I'm gonna go to the beauty aisle.
Of course. That's where you're at.
Look who else I found in Dollar Tree.
Oh,
My auntie and a cousin.
Oh, you doing the video?
Yeah, I didn't know if y'all wanted to be on camera, so I didn't pan up.
Oh.
You know.
Okay, you can pan up.
You
Well,
sure?
Not yet.
Oh yeah. You want to reveal your identities?
Yes, you can reveal.
Yeah, I got this. Global Beauty Care. It's a clay mask. It draws out the toxins and the impurities in your skin. And this one is a sleeping mask. You sleep in it.
Okay, I ain't sleeping.
You ain't gonna sleep in it?
I ain't sleeping there.
Aww.
I might put it on and wipe it off, but I ain't sleeping in there.
Well, this one is...
Because then I'd have to worry about my pillowcase.
Well, you can take a nap in it. Okay, this is interesting. Ooh, I've heard so many great reviews about this growth oil. Definitely going to get me one. Heard a lot of reviews about this.
What's that?
Growth oil.
Oh.
I've heard about this one called Perfect Edge Control. I'm going to get this one.
Let me not follow me. What edges you controlling now? These.
There she go. Now this one will copy whatever I pick up. Look at that. I've heard great things. The edge control, it keep your edges straight.
I got dreads. I got dreads too.
Okay.
What am I gonna push them back? I don't know. But for me, because of my
I've heard many things about this right here, the Rockaholic Stronghold Gel. I hear this is it's great for the wigs.
Oh, this smells good. What's that? Mango butter. What is it?
Yeah, these are good for church. But look what I found.
What?
Ready for it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Soleil.
Ah! Wait, let me see if I can find something.
Ready for it? Soleil. I got this before. Because you're not doing it right.
But she don't know how to do it.
Oh my gosh. Heck with another sleigh right here.
Oh, that's sleigh?
That's sleigh.
I'm gonna get a sleigh.
You only getting it because I got it. And she always, everything I pick up, I swear she picks up too.
They got some more? I mean, some different ones?
You're looking at a bunch of them
I
that's
already
different.
got a bunch of them. I got the purple one.
Let me guess, Auntie, you want a sleigh fan?
No, I already got them.
Oh, excuse
Mine
me.
don't say sleigh. Mine is
me.
just fans for
Church.
yeah, for church.
You know?
My
That's
black
the only
one.
time you get hot.
Uh-huh. Well, I got my sleigh.
Some
Shower fizzers? Oh, she's over there by the Bolero.
Ooh, yes, I'm keeping mine.
You such a copycat.
I'm a slave right through it.
You gonna slay right through it?
I did. Don't have this up here?
Y'all know I always pick these things up when I come in here. I'm gonna pass on it this time. I got so many of them.
Oh, they might. Let me see.
These are the exfoliating bath cloths. Can never have too many of them. Let me get another one. What else they got? I have all these.
I know you do.
All
Can't
these.
think of what I need now.
Oh, this is
Oh,
new.
the toner, the
they-
facial
don't
toner.
have this. This is new.
With that one. That one
mallow.
smells. Yeah, that one smells incredible. You got to get the watermelon one, Auntie.
There's the
They got
watermelon one?
You ain't know?
No.
Look at this.
Vanilla and sugar.
I ain't got you picking up nothing. You just picking up what I'm picking up.
This is what kind of thing is this?
Something that you don't need.
What?
Now she gonna tell me that.
Cause you only getting it because we getting it.
If they have my safety.
I like watermelon.
All right, well get that one. I don't think I have this, the toner.
spray?
No, the toner for. Hold on.
So but let me get the green
No,
one.
wait. I'm getting the cucumber.
Well,
I don't
you know
have
what?
these two.
You know what I use? I use this for my feet when I soak my feet.
Do you even know what that's for?
Who?
It's a toner, of course.
Oh,
That's the facial spray you picking up. You talk about it's a toner and you grabbing the facial
Where's
spray.
the toner?
I use these.
See, I'm not even gonna help you. 'Cause you said you know.
I'm gonna get them 2 weeks out.
These are the perfumes down here. OMG.
So this
I have every single one of these.
So you do that. I put it in the water.
I don't need no more.
I got watermelon.
Wait.
Look at her struggling to get it out.
No,
It's a bath soak.
I put it in the water when I do my feet.
Supposed to put Epsom salt in the water.
That's like
Or you
Epsom
can put
salt.
vinegar too.
Oh, they got the face mask. I didn't get this the last time.
Oh, this one don't smell
Cucumber
as good
aloe.
as the watermelon.
No, the watermelon smells incredible. Wait, I gotta start separating this stuff. Hold
I only
on.
got 2 things.
I don't have the facial wipes.
I do.
I got this. I got this.
No, that's mine.
I have this.
Okay, but that's mine.
Then where's the one I just put in here?
I don't
That
know.
one's yours.
I just put that there for me.
What else y'all looking at?
Find your favorite
Bath
pomade
bomb.
through the like 2
hair.
wig caps, right?
CJ wig cap.
No, no,
Oh,
I
yeah.
mean CJ no wig cap. I'm sorry. It's a wave cap.
It's a wave
For his
cap.
waves.
See, look at that.
For his waves.
What else they got over here?
Well, I wear them caps too, you know. Where they at?
What, the wig caps?
I don't know why you mentioned. Now she gonna get a wig cap.
I got some men's socks from the Dollar Tree in Co-op City. And I can't.
They were good.
And the
Yes, they are. They're over there.
Which ones were comfortable?
She said these are comfortable. Because I wear them with my boots.
Those?
My shoe
I like the
boots.
gray.
Yeah.
Let me
black, and
see
red.
those. This is the
Wait.
Argyle design.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like that one.
They're
That's
men.
cute. That's cute.
I have to get. Okay. I don't care for this one.
Which one?
This,
All right.
That one is cute with the green.
I like the red and black.
Well, just
The
get
red
them
and black
both.
is definite.
I was gonna get really. I should get.
Or
the
maybe
blue
I
one.
should get a pair since
The
you said
blue?
they so comfortable.
They are.
I'm not
comfortable.
copying.
They're men. They have.
And
women
anyway,
over
you
there.
can't go wrong with black.
No, you sure can't.
Maybe I
That's
should
just
buy
what I'm getting.
CJ some dress-looking socks.
Leave my pocketbook over here. Ciao. Celine bag. Okay, something else. Look at this hat that says good vibes. It is so cute. Do they have, do the black ones say it too? Oh, what that says? Future. Dreamer. I like the scarves. The scarves are actually kind of cute. What this one says? Sorry, not sorry. And I'm not sorry because I'm taking this one. Take that. I know, dog. I know I'm picking up all kinds of stuff. This is the reduced merchandise. Go over here. These are the fuzzy socks. These are cute. What are these? Inspired. What is this? Makeup bag. Oh, it's happening. Oh, it is happening. Need that makeup bag. So here is the arts and crafts section. Now I've been looking for some rhinestones. Okay. I need these for when I want to mix my loose pigments. These are some stars and stuff, which I was looking at. I already have these, so it don't make no sense me picking those up. Dolls, I'll tell you a million times, these containers right here, These are good for putting your foundation in when you're traveling. I've shown it to you in several different videos already. What else? I don't quite see exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm going to get on out of this section here and head on over to this cash register to complete my purchase. And on that note, dolls, this is pretty much concluding the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and not bad to say that I only spent $18.30, and I got the chance to have some fun with my family today shopping in my local Dollar Tree. So on that note, this really do conclude the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I will be back to share a recap of everything that I purchased, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.